guys, and welcome to Smart Photo Reviews channel. In this episode we will show you a quick comparison between two flash guns, native Nikon SB-5000 and alternative Godox TT685 for Nikon. As you can see on Godox box, you get all the specification you need to know in detail. About Nikon box, you don't get anything about specification, so we'll have to check our links for detailed information. You get standard Nikon box. Let's see what's inside Godox box, along with some manuals and instructions. Here is the flash gun in protective pouch in little carrying bag. Inside it is a little plastic bag, and here's how the flash unit looks like. As you can see, very nice flash gun. About the materials, let me smell them. No sign of cheap Chinese materials. You can smell the cheap Chinese material. There are some connectors for updating the flash, for synchronization and everything, for battery packs, and it is standard. And now let's see what you get. Sorry, just one more thing you get in Godox. It is this little foot for mounting the flash on a tripod or for putting it on the ground. In Nikon SB-5000 you get more because you pay 4 times more. This is flash gun. It's in better and higher quality pouch or carrying case. It is also protected in this plastic bag, and this is how the flash gun of Nikon looks like from the front and also from the back. About the materials, let me smell them. It's different smell of plastic, but doesn't seem that is of higher quality than Godox plastic. About the same, and in hand it feels almost exactly the same. Also, you get in a box a little bit more. You get standard foot. You get additional carrying pouch, and you get a little diffuser that goes on the front of your flash gun, on the lamp, and you get also green and orange little plastic filters. So that's about it, and about unboxing of these two flashes. We will see in our further test about their output power and compare them. Now we have set up both flash guns for the flash output power test. We have in the first row Godox TT685 and in the second row Nikon SB-5000. We will use the Sekonic light meter for getting our results. We have set both of the flash guns on 50mm zoom and full power. Let's see first. We will fire Godox and show you the result. As you can see on the light meter, Godox had the output of 64.1 f-stop. And now we will see Nikon. Nikon had 64.2, which is 1/10 of an f-stop more, which is practically the same maximum output. Let's check the output when we bounce the flashes at maximum power on the ceiling. First, Godox. We got 16 in the light meter. Now Nikon. We got exactly the same, 16 on the light meter, sorry. Now we will check out the minimum powers, both in directional flash and in bounce flash. Just let me set it up in a minute. Okay, now we're at minimum power. For Godox it's 128, and for Nikon it's less, it's 1/256th of the power. So let's fire the Godox first. Minimum output we got from Godox is 6.31, and from Nikon .02, which is less, but not half of the power as indicated. Let's do exactly the same with bounce flash. First Godox. It is 2.5, and then Nikon. It is non-measurable, under evaluation. So that means that Nikon can output a lot less power if needed for larger lens apertures if you need them. And what can also be interesting to you is a recycling time for both flashes when you fire them on their maximum outputs. Let me set them up to maximum output. Okay, this one is set, and this one too. And now I will show you the speed of the recycle. As you could see, the Nikon that is on the left recycled and charged faster. Let's do it again. Yeah, about a second or more faster than the Godox. So Nikon has advantage in this regard. So as you saw in our little test, these two flash guns are quite similar in performance and quite different regarding the price. Godox is 4 times cheaper than Nikon SB-5000. Is SB-5000 4 times better? I doubt. But if you need a very reliable flash that can fire thousands of times without concern of burning the flash lamp, then Nikon is something that you need. If you use flash occasionally and not firing that many shots with it, then Godox is excellent solution for you, and we can really recommend it. That's it about these two flash guns. Thank you for being with us. Subscribe, comment, like, whatever you want. And until next time, we're saying bye-bye from Smart Photo Reviews.